is Holo, bitch. I'm a holosexual. Cristine Rotenberg has introduced me to the fabulous, complex concept that is holo. And I ordered some stuff from her nail polish brand. She has a nail polish brand called Holo Taco. For those who don't know what holo is, this is holo. Shifting rainbow pigments. It's become a lot more popular, which I really enjoy because the world just needs to be filled with holo. So I ordered some nail polishes and I'm gonna open them and see how cool they are. Yes, I'm literally opening them on my computer. First of all, I got this gorgeous Holo Taco glass file. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I can already tell that it is a lot better quality than emery boards. It says Holo Taco with this like purple to like fuchsia kind of gradient, and there's the Holo Taco logo. It doesn't smell like emery boards. Yes, thank you. And it comes in this cute little case. So let's open the lighter box first. How to box. I don't know how to open boxes apparently. Hello, it's me! Oh my god, yes. 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 This is my base coat. It's legit holo on the packaging, which I very much appreciate. The fact that nail polish makes me this happy is low-key concerning. It's so perfect. I'm dying. I love how most of this footage is literally just gonna be me being like, oh my god, yes. This honestly just made my day. I am so happy. I don't want to take it out of the packaging. It's so sexy. Oh my god. I'm so happy. This is so great. Okay, maybe I should take one. Let's take out Rainbow Snow. Oh my god, I'm dying. So that one is Rainbow Snow. This isn't from her like new rainbow collection, by the way. This one is Play Rosé. Oh my god. And then this one is Frost Light. Oh my god. And then I got a glossy taco and I'm smoothing base because my nails are ratchet, if we haven't established that yet. I am so happy. Like, you have no idea how happy I am. This is so great. Happiness. Guys, this is what happiness feels like. Honestly, right now, I'm not going to be trying them because I am growing out my nails because, like, some of them are, like, long enough to be painted, and then there's just, like, my middle finger, which has, like, no nail. So I'm just, like, honestly, I don't care how good or bad the quality is. I just want to support my girl Cristine with no H. And I'm just so happy because it's legit holo. None of that, like, fake beauty guru thing. This is, like, genuine beauty. So thank you for coming to this extremely dramatic video of me opening nail polish. I'd like to remind you that you are wanted, you are loved, and you are valid, and that kindness inspires kindness. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!